Ang Idea Club is a program designed by Idea to support and provide authorized or partner installers with a platform to manage their installation workflow.
Pilipinas po yung nag-champion last year. So we have to defend, no, yung title natin. So itaas natin uli yung bandila ng Pilipinas.
Malaki yung premyo, no? I think 300,000.
So welcome sa second season ng Idea Club Fast Installation Tournament.
Ini-invite ko po ang lahat ng mga company owner, sub-dealer, yung willing sumali sa Idea Plus.
It's your time to shine. And of course, may mga prizes sila.
Magkakaroon tayo ng chance na manalo ng mga prizes and syempre makapunta sa China
I-ready nyo na ang password nyo.
para mapatunayan namin yung excellence in delivering quality services in our customers.
Gandang tournament to para ma-prove natin yung quality and speed natin sa pag-install.
Iniimbitahan ko po lahat ng sub-dealer na sumali.
Salamat po sirs and ma'am sa mga tumanggap ng hamon para dito sa ating Season 2 ng Idea Club Tournament.
With the spirit of sportsmanship, I will strive for excellence and to celebrate victory. So help me God.
Iniimbitahan po namin kayo,
all sub-dealers and dealers,
to join Idea Flash Installation Tournament.
Season 2.
Malay nyo,
Baka kayo na maging champion.
Idea number 1.
Idea!